Hello friends, welcome back to the Bunny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys Poco phone setting guys, and today we'll try to guys Poco phone vibrate tap setting. So today friends I will show you guys how to use vibrate on tap. So guys when we tap on button and guys screen, so friends you want to use guys vibrate, your phone will vibrate on tap guys when you will tap, so your phone will vibrate. So friends, now let's see how to use this vibrate on tap setting in Poco phone device. First of all guys we will have to on vibrate on tap. So guys first of all we will on guys phone vibrate on tap, and how to on, click on your Poco phone sound and vibration setting. So guys, we will click here. So friends, you can see ringtone setting, alarm sound, media sound guys, you can adjust this volume. So when you sound assistant guys, you can see adjust media sound in multiplay app. So you can on multiplay audio source, you can on and off from here. Silent mode guys you want to on, so as you can see silent mode is on, you want to off, silent mode is off. Friends, you can see do not disturb setting, additional setting. Vibrate for calls you want to use, so guys you can on, after on guys your phone will vibrate for calls. Vibrate in silent mode you can on and off from here. Then guys you can see the second last option, vibrate on tap. So guys click here. As you can see high, medium, light and strong. First guys we will click on light. As you can see when I will tap, so my phone will vibrate. And friends, now we will click on guys medium. So I will click on medium. So once you can see medium, sound, background sound by phone vibrate. And guys now we will click on the strong. As you can see phone vibrate sound. So like that we can use get this vibrate on tap setting. You don't want to use, you can off from here. So I like the strong one, I will click here. So as you can see when I will tap, phone is vibrating. On guys back button, only this button guys when you will use, phone will vibrate on tap. So like that guys we can use this vibrate on tap setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.